Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like your brain has a little extra room for some wonderfully weird and wacky information? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a collection of facts that are so bizarre, so mind-bendingly strange, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Think you've seen everything? Wait until you hear these. We're talking about everything from see-through creatures to flowers that are secretly math geniuses, and even what outer space smells like. So, buckle up, because these useless facts are about to seriously blow your mind and give you some amazing new trivia to share. First up, let's get a clear look at one of nature's most incredible creations. Meet the glass frog. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, this little amphibian has a superpower you have to see to believe. Its skin, particularly on its underside, is so incredibly transparent that you can literally see its internal organs at work. That's right. You can watch its tiny heart beating right through its chest, pumping blood, and see its digestive system doing its thing. It's like having a living, breathing biology lesson right in the palm of your hand. It's a stunning example of natural camouflage, helping it blend into leaves and avoid predators. Isn't that just wild? Next, let's talk about a flower that's not just beautiful, but also a mathematical prodigy. You've probably admired a sunflower before, but have you ever looked closely at the pattern of its seeds? They aren't just randomly placed. Sunflowers arrange their seeds in a perfect mathematical pattern following something called the Fibonacci sequence. This sequence, where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, creates interlocking spirals going in opposite directions. This is nature's most efficient way to pack as many seeds as possible into the flower head, ensuring maximum sun exposure for each one. It's a perfect blend of biology and geometry, proving that nature was the original master of mathematics. Ever wondered what the final frontier smells like? You might imagine it's just a void, but astronauts who have been on spacewalks report something very different. When they come back inside the space station and take off their helmets, they say a distinct odor clings to their suits and equipment. The smell is often described as a combination of hot metal, seared steak, and even a hint of welding fumes or gunpowder. Scientists believe this unique scent is caused by high-energy vibrations from dying stars and other cosmic phenomena interacting with particles. So, space isn't just a silent, empty void. It has a very particular and very strange aroma. Moving from the vastness of space back to the depths of the ocean, let's look at the octopus. We all know they squirt ink to make a quick getaway from predators, creating a dark cloud for cover. But there's a more sophisticated trick at play here. Octopus ink isn't just a simple visual smokescreen. It contains a chemical compound called tyrosinase, which irritates predators' eyes and, more importantly, temporarily dulls their sense of smell. This means even if a predator like a shark can see through the ink cloud, it can't track the octopus by scent, giving our eight-armed friend a much better chance at a clean escape. It's chemical warfare, ocean style. Now for a little mind-bending physics, courtesy of Albert Einstein. Did you know that time itself doesn't flow at the same rate everywhere? According to the theory of relativity, gravity can warp space-time. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time moves. This means that time actually moves slightly faster at the top of Mount Everest than it does at sea level because you're further away from the Earth's center of mass and experiencing slightly less gravity. The difference is incredibly tiny. We're talking nanoseconds. But it's real. So if you want to age just a fraction of a second faster than everyone else, you know where to go. Here's a fact that might make you look at your fruit bowl a little differently. Bananas, the go-to healthy snack for so many of us, are slightly radioactive. Finally, let's travel to the driest places on Earth to talk about the smell of rain. You know that fresh, earthy scent after a downpour? It's called petrichor. In most places, it's a familiar and pleasant smell, but in the desert, it's on a whole other level. Because it rains so infrequently, the oils released by plants and bacteria accumulate in the dry soil and rocks for months, or even years. When the rain finally does arrive, it releases this massive buildup of aromatic compounds all at once, creating an incredibly intense and potent version of that petrichor scent. It's the smell of the desert finally quenching its long thirst. And there you have it. 7 facts you probably didn't need to know, but hopefully you're glad you do. From seeing through a frog to smelling the cosmos and bending time itself, reality is so much stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine. Which one of these facts was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the wonderfully useless, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.